Starting a business can feel like a mountain too high to climb, especially when everyone talks about loans, investments, and borrowing money. But what if I told you that you can build a seven-figure business completely without taking a loan? It is possible, and many successful entrepreneurs in the USA have done exactly that. The key is strategy, discipline, and focusing on Halal, sustainable methods of growth. The first step is to identify a market need that genuinely excites you. A business that solves a real problem is always easier to scale. Spend time observing trends, customer frustrations, and gaps in existing services. Even a small online service or digital product can become a large revenue generator if it fulfills a demand that is currently underserved. Once you have a business idea, validate it without spending thousands of dollars upfront. Instead of renting office space or buying expensive equipment, start with what you already have. Many successful businesses begin from home offices using a laptop, internet connection, and free or inexpensive tools to manage operations. This keeps your initial costs minimal and removes the need for borrowing. For example, if your business idea is an online tutoring platform, you can start by offering sessions over Zoom or Google Meet, requiring almost no initial investment. Track every interaction, note customer feedback, and refine your offering based on what your first clients actually need. Another critical factor is pricing your products or services correctly. Many new business owners undercharge because they feel they need to compete on price. This can actually hurt long-term growth. Instead, focus on the value your business provides. Customers are willing to pay more when they clearly understand the benefits. For example, if you are selling digital marketing services, highlight how your work can increase sales or improve engagement for clients. Make these results measurable and easy to communicate. This approach allows you to scale without borrowing, because every sale contributes to growth directly. Marketing in a loan-free business must also be strategic. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn provide cost-effective ways to reach thousands of potential customers. Organic content creation is free, and even small budgets for ads can yield high returns if targeted correctly. For instance, creating short, informative videos explaining your product benefits or solving common customer problems can attract attention without large expenditures. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Building a subscriber list allows you to maintain direct contact with your audience and promote offers without spending heavily on paid channels. Managing cash flow is another pillar of building a seven-figure business without a loan. Keep track of every dollar coming in and going out. Avoid unnecessary expenses, negotiate better deals with suppliers, and reinvest profits wisely. The goal is to create a self-sustaining business model where growth is fueled by revenue, rather than borrowed money. Many small businesses fail because they expand too quickly without stable cash flow. Instead, focus on incremental growth. Each milestone achieved should fund the next stage of development. Outsourcing tasks strategically can help you scale efficiently without loans. Identify repetitive or specialized work that can be delegated to freelancers or remote workers. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and specialized agencies allow you to pay for specific tasks rather than maintaining a full in-house team, which can be expensive. By outsourcing selectively, you free up your time to focus on strategic decisions that drive revenue. Building a strong network is invaluable. Connect with other entrepreneurs, join relevant online communities, and attend industry events. Networking can open doors to partnerships, collaborations, and mentorship opportunities that accelerate growth without requiring financial loans. For example, a collaboration with another online business could expose your product to a larger audience, driving sales without any significant investment. Remember that relationships in business are long-term assets. Nurture them, provide value, and the returns will follow. Technology can be a great enabler for a loan-free business. Leverage tools for accounting, project management, customer support, and analytics. Many of these tools have free or low-cost versions suitable for startups. For example, using Google Workspace for communication, Trello for project tracking, and Canva for marketing content allows you to operate professionally without large expenditures. Automation tools also reduce manual effort, allowing you to focus on activities that generate revenue directly. Consistency and persistence are non-negotiable. Without loans, You rely entirely on your ability to generate revenue and reinvest it wisely. This means that daily effort, continuous learning, and adapting based on market feedback are crucial. Entrepreneurs who succeed in building seven-figure businesses without loans often spend years refining their processes, understanding their customers, and building trust. Patience is key because real growth does not happen overnight. Finally, mindset matters. Building a loan-free business requires discipline, confidence, and a long-term perspective. Avoid shortcuts. Focus on Halal methods of income generation, and always prioritize value for your customers. Your reputation is a critical asset, especially in the digital age, where word of mouth spreads rapidly. By maintaining integrity and consistently delivering results, your business not only grows financially, but also earns trust and loyalty, which are essential for sustainable success. A practical example of this approach is an online e-commerce store focusing on Halal products. Start by sourcing a few high-demand items, sell through social media or marketplaces, and reinvest profits into expanding product lines. Each sale is funded by revenue rather than loans. Marketing is done through organic content, partnerships, and small, targeted ad campaigns. As the store grows, you can hire remote staff for customer service and fulfillment. The store gradually scales to seven figures purely from smart reinvestment, strategy, and customer-focused operations, without ever taking a loan. Tracking metrics is another critical step. Key indicators such as customer acquisition cost, average order value, and retention rate help you make informed decisions. Focus on improving these numbers gradually. Small improvements compounded over time create exponential growth. Halal principles ensure that your business decisions respect ethical standards, which further strengthens customer trust and long-term sustainability. In conclusion, building a seven-figure business without a loan is not only possible, but also practical and ethical. By focusing on market needs, validating ideas inexpensively, pricing correctly, marketing strategically, managing cash flow, leveraging technology, networking, outsourcing wisely, and maintaining consistency, you can scale your business effectively. Patience, discipline, and a commitment to Halal practices ensure that growth is sustainable and reputational risks are minimized. Real success comes from creating value, serving customers well, and reinvesting profits wisely. The journey may take time, but it is fully achievable with the right approach, mindset, and unwavering dedication. Scaling a business beyond the initial stages without a loan requires careful planning and disciplined execution. After you have validated your idea, set up a low-cost operational system, and made your first sales, the next step is to systematically increase revenue while maintaining Halal and ethical practices. Focus on building multiple streams of income within your business. Diversification is key to sustainable growth. For example, if you started an online educational service, consider creating digital courses, subscription memberships, and one-on-one coaching. Each of these streams can grow independently, adding to your total revenue without requiring external financing. Investing in branding is a smart way to grow a business without borrowing. Your brand identity communicates professionalism and trustworthiness, which encourages customer loyalty. This does not necessarily mean spending thousands on designers or agencies. You can start by crafting a clear, consistent message across your website, social media, and product packaging. A well-branded business attracts premium customers who value quality over price, allowing you to scale profitably. For instance, a Halal skincare brand can create a simple but elegant logo, professional product photos, and consistent messaging about ethical sourcing and product benefits, all without loans. Building a team strategically is another essential component of growth. As your business expands, certain functions will require dedicated attention. Instead of hiring full-time employees immediately, start with freelancers or part-time contractors. This approach reduces overhead and aligns costs directly with revenue. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or specialized local networks are excellent resources for finding skilled professionals. Assign tasks such as content creation, customer support, bookkeeping, or social media management to these remote workers. As revenue grows, you can gradually bring core team members in-house while maintaining financial discipline. Customer retention plays a crucial role in reaching seven figures without a loan. Acquiring a new customer is often more expensive than retaining an existing one. Therefore, focus on delivering exceptional service, following up consistently, and creating loyalty programs. For example, an online food delivery service can offer discounts, referral rewards, or special access to repeat customers. Tracking customer behavior through analytics tools helps you identify opportunities for engagement and improvement. Every returning customer contributes directly to profit, reinforcing growth without external funding. Automating repetitive processes is a powerful way to scale efficiently. Use technology to handle email campaigns, social media posting, appointment scheduling, or order processing. Automation reduces human error, saves time, and allows you to focus on strategic activities that generate revenue. For instance, an e-commerce business can use automated inventory management systems and email marketing software to notify customers about new products or restock alerts. Automation ensures smooth operations while keeping costs minimal and avoiding loans. Expanding your marketing strategy is critical as revenue grows. In addition to organic content, paid advertising can accelerate growth if done carefully and strategically. Start with small, highly targeted campaigns that are measurable and adjustable. Platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, or TikTok ads allow precise targeting based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Track key performance metrics such as cost per acquisition, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. The goal is to reinvest profits into marketing campaigns that generate measurable results without exceeding your financial capacity. Building strategic partnerships can amplify growth without borrowing. Collaborate with other businesses that share a similar audience but are not direct competitors. Joint ventures, affiliate partnerships, or co-branded campaigns can increase visibility and sales at minimal cost. For instance, a Halal fitness brand might partner with a healthy meal delivery service to cross-promote products. Such collaborations create mutual value, expand reach, and drive revenue without taking on debt. Investing in yourself as an entrepreneur is just as important as investing in your business. Continuous learning through online courses, industry publications, or mentorship programs helps you make informed decisions and anticipate market trends. Many resources are free or low cost and can significantly impact business growth. For example, learning advanced digital marketing techniques or financial management skills enables you to optimize revenue streams and reinvest profits wisely. By improving your knowledge, you increase your ability to scale a business ethically and efficiently. Maintaining a strict focus on cash flow remains a priority as the business grows. Even profitable businesses can fail if cash flow is mismanaged. Monitor accounts receivable, payables, and operating expenses carefully. Reinvest profits strategically into areas that yield the highest returns, such as marketing, product development, or technology. Avoid unnecessary expenditures and luxury purchases that do not contribute to growth. Every dollar saved and wisely reinvested accelerates your path to seven figures. Without relying on loans, product or service innovation is essential for long-term growth. Continuously seek ways to improve your offerings based on customer feedback and market trends. Innovation does not require borrowing if approached creatively. For example, a Halal meal subscription service can introduce seasonal menus, new dietary options, or interactive cooking tutorials. Using minimal resources, small, incremental improvements attract new customers and encourage existing ones to continue purchasing, directly boosting revenue. Expanding your market geographically can also accelerate growth. Many US-based businesses scale efficiently by reaching customers in other states or regions online. E-commerce platforms, digital services, and subscription models are particularly well suited for this approach. Research regional demand, adjust marketing messaging to suit local preferences, and leverage online delivery or digital fulfillment channels. Expanding the customer base increases revenue without the need for loans or significant physical infrastructure. Pricing strategy remains a dynamic tool for growth. Periodically review your pricing based on market trends, competitor analysis, and customer feedback. Increasing prices carefully, especially when providing higher value or premium services, allows the business to grow profitably. For example, offering tiered subscription plans or premium packages enables customers to choose based on their needs and willingness to pay. Proper pricing ensures that growth is sustainable and funded entirely by revenue. Tracking metrics is an ongoing process that guides strategic decisions. Key performance indicators such as revenue growth rate, customer acquisition cost, profit margins, and lifetime value of a customer inform where to allocate resources. Use simple dashboards or software to visualize performance, making it easier to identify areas for improvement. Consistent monitoring allows you to optimize operations, reduce costs, and reinvest wisely, all without resorting to loans. Customer feedback loops are vital in every stage of growth. Encourage reviews, surveys, and direct communication to understand needs, preferences, and pain points. Respond promptly and adapt products or services accordingly. This strengthens trust, encourages repeat purchases, and generates word-of-mouth marketing. Ethical and transparent business practices enhance reputation, attracting more loyal customers and contributing directly to revenue growth. Time management and personal discipline are crucial for entrepreneurs scaling without loans. The pressure of relying solely on revenue demands careful planning and execution. Prioritize high-impact activities, delegate or automate routine tasks, and consistently track progress. Use tools like calendars, project management software, and time-blocking methods to maintain focus. Every productive hour contributes directly to business growth, reinforcing a self-sustaining cycle. Finally, mindset and resilience play a decisive role. Building a seven-figure business without loans is challenging, requiring perseverance, strategic thinking, and patience. Obstacles and setbacks are natural, but approaching them with problem-solving skills and ethical practices ensures long-term sustainability. Surround yourself with mentors, supportive peers, and positive influences to maintain motivation. Focus on value creation, customer satisfaction, and steady reinvestment, and success will follow. In conclusion, scaling a business to seven figures without a loan is not only achievable, but also highly rewarding. By diversifying revenue streams, investing in branding, building a flexible team, retaining customers, leveraging technology, expanding markets, and maintaining strict financial discipline, you create a business that grows organically. Innovation, continuous learning, and ethical practices aligned with Halal principles ensure long-term success. Every decision is fueled by revenue, not borrowed capital, proving that disciplined, strategic, and ethical entrepreneurship can reach remarkable heights. This framework provides a clear roadmap for entrepreneurs seeking to build substantial, sustainable businesses in the USA without relying on loans. Patience, focus, and a commitment to value-driven growth are the foundations of a seven-figure business. By consistently applying these principles, tracking performance, and adjusting strategies, entrepreneurs can achieve financial success, maintain ethical integrity, and build a business that thrives for years to come.